What is going on, guys? Back with another video, episode 2. We're starting to take off all the wraps so we can start prepping the body panels for primer and paint. Gonna take off taillights, doors, obviously wing, hatch. We're gonna be taking off the fenders and all the wrap. Fingers crossed it will come off easily and won't give us any issues. So we're gonna get to it. Probably gonna start off with removing the front fenders, then removing the wrap off the quarter panels, taillights, etc. So yeah, let's get to it. We got mostly everything done. Just gotta take out the door handles and just little things. Mostly everything is off. Tomorrow, Derrick, aka D Pumps, he's gonna come. We're gonna do some body work. Well, I'm gonna be learning, but I'm excited. Not excited for how much work is left, but it's gonna be good. Derrick is in the house. Say what's up. We're recording some video, bro. Progress, bro.
0 is happening.
All right, we are back. Gonna get to it. We got a lot of things done the other day. The doors are out. Wiring harness is obviously pulled out of the doors. Derrick got some body work done on the roof. We got the windows pulled. This quarter panel had some damage, so it still does have some damage, but all that stuff is going to be under the over fender. This side also got fixed, so stoked about that. But today game plan is to prep this hood for primer. These holes need to be filled in because I am running the OEM latch, so I do not need these. So we're gonna prep the surface, and the plan is to fill these in, then we'll have to primer it, and so yeah, let's get to it.